بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, all of you open page 22 in your books. You can see this is page 22. Hurry up, open it. So students, on page 22 today we have our topic cardinal and ordinal numbers. Repeat with me, cardinal and ordinal numbers. Do you know, students, what are these? These are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are known as numbers. इनको हम numbers कहते हैं. But what are cardinal numbers? लेकिन हम cardinal numbers किनको कहते हैं? Who will tell me what are cardinal numbers? These are cardinal numbers. These are cardinal numbers. These are written in the light green colors are cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers. Okay, read with me. Cardinal number tells the number's name. Students, this is cardinal numbers and they tell us that this is the name. This is the face of number and 1 is the name of number. This is the name. What is the name of this number? 1. Very good. What is the name of this number? 2. Very good. What is the name of this number? 3. Very good. The name of this number is 3. And what is the name of this number? 4. Very good. 4 is the name of this number. And what is the number? What is the name of this number? 5. Very good. 5 is the name of this number. These are the numbers. We all know how to write these numbers. But cardinal numbers tells us the name of these numbers. जो cardinal numbers हैं वो हमें बताते हैं कि इस नंबर का क्या नाम है. So cardinal numbers tells us the names of these numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now students, what is ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers. Who will tell me? Yes. Ordinal number tells the position. Ordinal number tells the position. The ordinal numbers होते हैं वो हमें बताते हैं कि इन numbers की क्या position है. Okay students, what does our ordinal numbers tell us? Ordinal numbers tell us the position. Do you know what is position? Yes. There are so many different positions. आपके friends लेते हैं, कोई first आते हैं, कोई second आते हैं. And also when there is a sports competition in your school, you have 3 positions: first position, second position, third position. Those students who win the race are known as first, and those who comes after them are known as second and third. So these are the positions. इसी तरह ordinal numbers जो होते हैं वो हमें बताते हैं positions of these numbers. That who is the first number in counting? Yes, 1. 1 is the first number in counting. And who is the second number in counting? 2. 2 is the second number in counting. And who is the third number in counting? 3. Very good. 3 is the third number in counting. and 4 is the fourth number in counting, and then 5 is the fifth number in counting. Okay students, and do you know how we write the positions? We write the positions like this: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So read with me, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And read this: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Read again, students. Okay students, now read again. What are numbers? These are the numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are the cardinal numbers, which tells the name of these numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers students? They tells the position. ये position बता रहे हैं of these numbers: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay students, and then we write these ordinal numbers like this. Okay, we write like this: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay students. Okay students, can you see these three friends? These are the three friends, and one friend comes first in the race. He has a trophy and he is first. And then this boy came second. He is second in the race. And this boy is third in the race. First, second, third. Okay students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Okay students, now this is your homework time, and you have to read the numbers, then the cardinal numbers, then the ordinal numbers, and these ordinal numbers in digits. You have to make a short video in which you will read this page from 1 to 5. Okay students, this is your homework. You have to read numbers, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. This is your homework. Okay students, stay home, stay safe, take care students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.